Welcome to this 2-minute techie tip brought to you by the Lumen Christi Saint Squad, students actively involved in networking and technology. This is Francis,
Ellie, and Michael.
As Saint Squad members, our goal is to increase student and staff achievement by enhancing our digital literacy. We are working to establish a digital culture at our school by developing career-ready skills of communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking through the use of creating content versus consuming and publishing our work versus printing. So let's get started and learn how to create a new document on Google Drive.
So let's get started and learn all about creating a new document within Google Drive. As you can see, I'm in my Google Drive, and I know this because I can see the word Drive here in red letters, and I previously had selected Drive in my app on the black menu bar within the Google Apps from the Education School domain. So, when I want to create something within my Drive, I can select or click on the red Create button here. It gives me all these options. I can create a folder, document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, or drawing.
So to create a new document, I simply choose Document, and a new document or file will open up. My first job is to give it a name. Naming GAFE documents is important because I want to stay consistent and use a naming convention that will help me find it later. And if I'm a student, I always want my teacher to provide me with a name for my school-related files. For this tutorial, I am going to name this document to English WTRFG CL. This will tell me that this is my second hour English class, and it relates to Where the Red Fern Grows, a novel we are reading. And I added my initials to the name, which is always smart to differentiate for the teacher. And again, I want to be consistent in naming document and for school stuff. My teachers should provide document names.
So here we go. I have my document and it is named correctly. Now what I can do is in a GAFE document compared to a Word document, pretty much everything. If I add some text, I have my toolbar here, and it looks surprisingly similar to the Microsoft Word. If I highlight a word or sentence, I can change the text style. I can change the text style size. I can make it bold, italic, or underlined. I can even change the color of the text.
I can also highlight the text and add numbers or bullet points.
So let's say we are done with creating our document. Now what? Well, it will always be found in my Drive. How do I get back to my Drive? Just hover your mouse to the left of the document title and you'll see an arrow. This will get you back to your Drive. Here I am back in my Drive and I can see my newly created document. However, this violates one of the primary rules of GAFE etiquette, that everything must be in a folder. Stray document can be lost, and for schools we always want to think about using folders.
So, to rectify this, I'm going to click the Create button again, and I am going to create a folder. I need a name, and I will call it WTRFG for the novel I am reading. Now I just need to move my document into this folder. But there is a good way to do this and a bad way to do this. The bad way would just to drag your document into the folder. That will end up in lost files. The good way is to tick or click the little box next to my document, which gives me all these tool items.
I always want to move my files or documents in GAFE using this method. 1. I select the file or checkmark the box. I click the Move To button, and I select the folder that I want to move my document into. And bam, you got yourself the folder.
Now when I open that folder, I can see that my document is safely inside.
Yay.
So that is all about name or describe topic from the Lumen Christi Saint Squad. Thanks for watching this 2-minute techie tip. Please share this skill with others to promote a digital and mobile student-centered learning culture in your classroom. Remember to create more than you consume and publish more than you print, and to highlight the efforts of all digital learners. Thanks for watching.